Hello everyone. Today I will demonstrate the lateral raises. Lateral raise एक ऐसा एक्सरसाइज है जो आपके मिडल डेल्ट और फ्रंट डेल्ट को बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से टारगेट करता है. बेसिकली द मिडल डेल्ट. First I'll just go through quickly anatomy. So for the shoulders there are three it's a deltoid muscle and it has three heads. So front, middle and rear. So these three make up your complete shoulder. Okay. So lateral raise is especially an exercise for the middle delt and it will also take care of your front delt a little bit. But ये exercise 90% of the crowd गलत करता है. So today we will just see how to do it correctly. Okay. So there are several ways of doing it. I will first show you my version, which I think is the most optimum way of doing it, and then I will show you the other things also which are correct but less effective. So how I do lateral raise and what I recommend to all of my clients is put your dumbbells straight forward like this, okay, and keep a slight bend in your elbow. What this will, our idea is to isolate the muscles. Don't hang like this and then try to raise. When you try to do this, anyway you'll bend your elbow. So better just keep an angle from the beginning like this and dumbbell in front of you and then just raise it. So as you see, I'll show you from the side. It is not about going exactly by your side. I'll go a little forward. So from the midline of my body, I'll just go a little outside from when you see me from the side. Okay? This is very critical. Apart from that, why I want it to be kept over here is when you go at the top of the movement, you see the dumbbells are up. They automatically will get into that position and this is what we want, because that is when you will get a good compression in your shoulders. So this is the optimum way which I recommend clients to do it. This way your middle delt will be pumped as hell if you go about 15 to 20 reps. Now some other variations which people do. People start from completely from the side. So the mistake what they do is, I'll show you from the side. They just go straight out. Don't do that. You're not so strong in that position and you'll not be able to target your muscles correctly. You start from here. This is not wrong, as I said. This is just one variation. But go a little forward only again. And you see, I need to twist my knees, which I was not doing in my first version, because my arms are automatically in that position. Now the second version what people do is this one. This is also not wrong. This is also not wrong. But only thing is, I feel that there is a little involvement of the lower back for moving the back, because when the dumbbell is coming forward, you'll automatically tend to go back, which is not a good thing. Yeah, isolation kar rahe hain hum log shoulder ka. Why to do that? And again, one more problem. You're forced to twist your knees. Now I'll go back to my version again. Now you focus on the twist of these. The wrist. As you see, there is no twist on my wrists because they are already in the position which are required. So there are three variations. Good enough, but this is what we do. Just one simple exercise for the starters, because it's a difficult exercise. You can do something like this. Just put your arms like that and then try to raise it. That's it. So this variation is usually recommended for the beginners. They will, as you know, there is a machine for lateral raise. So we are just trying to mimic the same motion. You put your shoulders in the forward with a 90-degree angle between your upper and lower arm, and then you just rotate. And in this case, from the side, if you see, this much. So for the beginners, this could be a good thing. And last and the most important thing which I think is regarding lateral raise, weights. Usually I see people going to 10 kgs, 12 kgs, 15 kgs, where they are barely able to do 2.5 kg dumbbell correctly when I ask them to do in the optimum way, the first version which I showed, or any other version. Lateral raise is a difficult exercise because it's an isolation of the muscle. So the muscles which are involved are not so strong. Plus it's a single joint movement, it's an isolation. So you tend to be weak. Biggest of the bodybuilders are weak on this. So if they are doing a dumbbell press with a 30 kg, still they'll be doing a lateral raise maybe with 7.5 or 10 kgs or 12.5 kgs max. So keep this thing in the mind. You pick up 2.5 kg dumbbell and you do the first version which I showed, or second or third, with the few rules which I gave, and then try to do 15-20 reps, and you will see the pump that will come in. So thank you for watching the video, and come back for more videos over here. Thank you.